Hello, this is Shabana. I am sitting down to my beautiful meal today. As you see that I steam my fermented salmon. It will serve as dipping sauce. So I have varieties of fresh vegetables. Start with Asian string bean, cucumbers, and the sweet peppers, and then the eggplants. So today I am going to show you how traditionally Khmer people eat food with their fingers. Traditionally, okay, from beginning we do eat with hands, right? Before fork and knife is invented. So we got our bougie now because we so far advanced in our life. So from beginning, our deity, our ancestors do consume with our hand, whether what country you're from. Because I have long nails, so yeah, I have to bleach and sterilize it before me touching my food. So there's the different ways to eat it without, if I don't eat with my fingers, and I do chopstick. So chopstick was invented by a lot of Asian country. If I recognize it well, I see in China, in Japan, Korea, Indonesia, they use chopstick to eat the noodles. But I used to eat my rice also. I can scoop rice as well. Of course, I'm good at it, so I can do that as well. My manner. And then the traditional way, after the finger, when the spoon was invented, we begin to use fork and spoon. So the polite way is to scoop out your food, put in your plate and your vegetable, and then so use your fork and scoop the food into your spoon, and so we have to be mindful and respect for those who still eat with their fingers, because that's how they're taught, that's how they're living in their culture. I'm sorry. So for me, I grew up in many different cultures, so I had adopted and adapted in many ways of eating. So if my nail is not long, I would go down with my finger. But today I wash it many times after the airport, so I can do that as well. So this is how we eat it in Cambodian way. So just get your vegetable and dip it, and then easy, right? And I don't go like 5 fingers and not like that. Well, when we eat our food, we family come together, and we surround our food on the floor. Still, people like to sit on the floor with their mats, and put the food on the floor, and people sitting and eat the food in a manner, proper way, with etiquette. We don't go, really, really like disgust looking eating habit. No, we calm eating. We take time to savor our food. And we're not allowed talking like I'm doing here too. My grandparents would be very upset if you have food in your mouth and you talk. So today I'm just doing some demonstration. Normally I don't like talking while I'm eating. So so be mindful. When people eat with fingers, because they still practice in their culture. It's normal. It's norms in many cultures, many countries. So we eat with our fingers. When we go to eating pizza, and a lot of things that we eat with our finger. Seafood salad, you can try that and make it normal. Or you just chopped it. I dropped one already. So I just want to let you know that I'm enjoying my meal today. I had a long trip from Atlanta City, Georgia, doing the relationship show. So I'm pretty tired. Worked back to back for 3-4 days, and didn't have sleep. Early flight, and couldn't sleep on the flight. So I'm pretty tired, and my eyes like. It's not a very pretty face right now, but I just want to get this done because I'm hungry. Just got that from just got home a few hours ago, so I thought that I'll do this for all of you to see that. See, my food are not too bad. When you get accustomed to it, you will see that we consume a lot of vegetables and rice and fish, and we don't eat pounds of beef or chicken like we do here in America, right? We order steak, we want that big piece. But that big piece can serve the whole family in my culture. We dice it up and we stir fry it and mix with vegetables, and share with family. We don't eat whole, pound or quarter pound. We don't consume meat that way. So as you see my former, be back.